Hi, today I'm reviewing Xiaomi Redmi PADs and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the additional settings. Then scroll down and you'll see here developer options section if developer mode is activated. Just if you want to hide them, we should click here on the ones on this developer options section, and after that let's just go back, open once again additional settings, the settings app, additional settings, and we can see that the developer options section is gone successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.